Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing for heroic spins, 5 of them. So hopefully we can get this rainbow unobtainable up here. First spin. Ooh, legendary. Not bad, not bad. Zebrick, not a very amazing skin, but it's still pretty cool. Spin number 2. And it's purchasing. And I'm waiting. And I'm still waiting. And here we go. And it's a purple. Cracked. It's kind of a bad skin because it's not that neon or bright. It's just dull. Bad. Very bad. Okay, second to last skin. Another purple. Spineless. Not a horrible skin. Okay, last spin. We can get that. Or at least a contraband, maybe. Or absolutely nothing, because it's... Yeah, that ends this unboxing video.